this is Oliver Caminos, broker of St. Germain Properties. So interest rates are up, the stock market is down, and you think home prices would come crashing to the ground, right? Wrong. A quick survey of some of the big players in the industry will tell you otherwise. These people include Zillow, the National Association of Realtors, the National Association of Home Builders, the Mortgage Bankers Association, and the most accurate of them all, Barry Habib, who's been forecasting interest rates for 20 plus years, as well as the home prices. So some of their common beliefs are: one, home prices will continue to rise at about 8 to 10%, which is pretty much pegged to the official rate of inflation. So we're not going to see a continued increase of 25 to 30% like we saw last year and the beginning of this year, but prices pretty much will rise with inflation. Secondly, don't expect a buyer's market. It might seem counterintuitive, but there will be fewer sales, yes. There will be fewer sellers and fewer buyers. However, many people right now, many homeowners, they have low interest rate mortgages on their homes, they have a chunk of equity, and let's face it, it's hard to find a home out there, so they don't have these great incentives to just pick up and move, especially here in the local market. And locally here, speaking of the local market, the belief is that we're going to continue to see significant increases in population in Mount Pleasant, Daniel Island, and pretty much all over Charleston. On the beaches, we're going to see increased investors wanting to take their money to where they think it can at least keep pace with inflation. So they're going to continue to buy luxury vacation homes, as well as people just wanting to get in on a beach home before prices go even higher. So let's say you're a buyer. What can you do? Well, the first option, you can always do nothing. I do want to caution, our database is filled with people who 2 or 3 years ago said the market's going to crash, I'm going to buy then, and now we're 40-50% higher in prices. So again, word of caution with that. I can't predict where home prices will go. I don't have a crystal ball, but that could be a very expensive proposition. Number two, and this is a great option, look at new construction. So new construction, you got to have some flexibility. New construction in our market, you got to get in on these homes when they're just coming out of the ground. So you might be 6 to 9 months or maybe even a year away from buying. But if you have that flexibility, often you can lock in today's prices and close 6 to 12 months from now. And a great option that I always recommend, if you see some of my last videos, is look off market with us. In the luxury market here, we're always helping buyers find homes off market in Mount Pleasant, Daniel Island, Isle of Palms, and Sullivan's Island. We have an extensive database of sellers who would sell, and we also have direct mail and telemarketers always looking for our current buyers. And so lastly, if you're in a situation where I'd love to buy, but I have to sell my house, we do have programs that allow you to purchase your home, and then you can have up to 6 months to sell your existing home stress-free. There is a little cost for that, but you can do that. So buy the home, and then once you have that home under wraps, you can sell your home without any stress. So if you have questions on any of this, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I look forward to talking to you soon. I'm Oliver Caminos, St. Germain Properties. Bye-bye.